How do you number the pages in Google Docs starting from page number 3? Perhaps you already have your cover with all your texts. Then you have your index with all the information, all the titles, and then the text clearly begin. The problem is that when you go to number the pages, it starts from page number 1, and we really don't want that. We want it to start from page number 3. For this, the first thing we are going to do is go right after the point where we do not want a page or page numbering to be generated. That is, in this case, we go to the index because we do not want either the cover or the index to be numbered, so we would stop here. What we are going to do is click on Insert, then go to Break, and then select Next Page Section Break. Click there, and it will automatically generate a new page. It doesn't matter if what you already have shifted a bit. Just move it back up to the beginning of this page, and now what we're going to do is just leave it there. Now what I'm going to do is simply, starting from the moment I want the pages to be numbered, I'm going to click again where it says Insert, then I'm going to select Page Numbers. And here you can choose any of the options available depending on where you want the numbers to appear, whether at the top right, bottom right, or in whichever way you prefer. I'm going to choose this one here, and now what we're going to do is unlink this option that appears here where it says Link to Previous. We will remove it. Now we will click on Options and then on Page Numbers. Now look here, this section appears as Section 2, which means this is the section from which the text starts. If you want to number the entire document, you can select that option, and it will number from the first page. However, in this case, we want it to only number from this section here. Now, what we will do is click on Start at 1 so that from this section, which is where the text begins, it starts numbering from 1. If I select from the previous section, it will take all the other pages and number them from 0. So I click Start at 1 and then Apply, and this way, it will be set. But surely, if you go up, you will notice that it will also show 1 and 2 here. It's very simple. On these first 2 pages, we will click on Options, remove the header, and that's it. Then, on the second page, this will also be removed. As you can see, it will now automatically number from the first page. If I start making breaks, notice that from that page, starting from the third page, it begins with 1, and it will start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you can always change this in Options and click on Header Format if you want to change the design or style. If you don't want it to start from here, simply go back, follow the same procedure, and create different sections so that it numbers from page 1 of the section you desire.